sound. That's why they are known as the gallop rhythms or gallop sounds. They can be present individually or in a group. So if present individually, the S3 alone is known as pre-diastolic gallop, and the S4 alone is known as the atrial gallop. If present in both are present, then forms the quadruple gallop. If the quadruple gallop is present in the case of tachycardia, then it is known as summation gallop, where the S2 and S3 and S4 are heard so near to each other that they are not on in this